Hi, welcome to Manthan. I am here to give you an introduction about our counseling certificate course. This is a psychologically oriented course which is a very simple format and it can be useful to anyone who is either a student or occupied doing their own jobs in the professions, businessmen or any area of life. You can see that psychology is something that is useful and applicable for everyone in their life, in their profession, and in whatever their other motives, whatever their other relationships. So it is a very useful study that will help you to grow and develop. Now, psychology, as we all know, is also motivating us. It is also a part of our everyday life. It can develop better communication, help us to develop leadership. It also is involved in developing emotional intelligence and the decision making, the memory, academic success and qualifications, and the productivity and health issues. So, the purpose of this seminar is to help you with all these areas that you may like to know. Besides, you may also want to know why people behave in certain way. Why is it that they get dumbstruck in spite of being otherwise very smart and qualified? When they go for either the interviews or they go for exams, they get dumbstruck. They are not able to talk, they are not able to express themselves. As soon as they come out of that place, they say, oh, we knew everything, but we could not answer. Similarly, people are having continuous problems in their relationships, not only with the family, but also with outsiders. That affects their work, that affects their relationship with their colleagues, their neighbors, and everywhere else. So psychology, as we see, is something that is affecting every aspect of our life. In this course, we have tried to cover all the different aspects of life. We have divided the course in 3 different modules. First one is the seminar series Alpha, which will cover, first of all, breaking emotional barriers. How emotions affect our life, how they are involved in all that we do. Then it will be the different kinds of emotions which overpower our behavior as well as our thinking, which can also paralyze sometimes our behavior, like energy of anger, the fear factors, then also about our anxieties that we experience in different situations, and also what is the stress that affects our growth and our success. In the second module, we cover the seminar subjects which are directly concerned with our personality development as well as our presentation of the things that we do, like assertiveness. Then we have communication skills, then we have confidence, and also it includes self-esteem development and why people lack in self-esteem, then how we are either too ambitious or not ambitious at all. So how that affects our life and how to motivate ourselves to achieve our ambitions and our goals. Also positive attitude, like people have their positive attitudes but sometimes it is overpowered by their negative attitudes and negative way of thinking, which keeps them behind, which interferes with a lot of things in their life. And then of course the most important is time management. As we all know that we have got only 24 hours in a day, and that too only some part of it we can put in the best of the productivity that is possible by every individual. Then we have the third module, which is Psi. Psi is a symbol for psychology, and this particular module will include psychology of happiness, psychology of wealth, health, education, and also psychology of success. So all these three modules are covered in this particular course, which is the counseling certificate course. And besides that, we will be also doing this course online. So we will be sending you the notes prior to your doing the assignments. There will be also some kind of video attached to that. We'll be also giving you the Zoom interaction. After every module, you will be attending one Zoom interaction, which will give you time and opportunity to interact and ask your own personal questions. Then we have in this course all the three modules who are completing. We will be also offering them certificates. There is no examination, but attending all the three modules and responding with the assignments is a very compulsory part of the qualifying for the certificate. There is no education bar, there is no age bar. You just have to send the assignments back, and based on that we will be evaluating your interest as well as your presence in the course. So this certificate is only about the participation to the course. It does not qualify you to become the counselor, neither are you given any kind of training to become a counselor. It is for your own understanding that will help you to improve your relationship with people, understanding of the people, and also to solve your own personal problems if you may have. Now, we will be sending you these assignments and the videos and the notes. There are handout notes. They are not so much detailed about the subject, but they are handouts which give you salient features about the subject that we are covering at that particular meeting. Now, you will be also getting the certificate, and this will be for your own satisfaction of attending and also to certify that you have attended and completed the course. But it is not, as I said earlier also, not for professional use. You cannot treat the clients, you cannot take the patients based on this qualification. Now you can pay in installments. The total fees for this course is right now 24,000. Of course, the original price is 32,000. But as an introductory offer, we are offering it for 24,000, which can be paid in 2 installments. The first installment will be 14,000 and 500 will be your registration. After a month, you will be paying 10,000 and 500 for your certification and all that evaluation that we may have to do at that time. So this is how the whole course goes, and I'm sure you will find it very, very interesting. It is also presented in a very simple format and very simply presented notes and videos, which will be very helpful to you to definitely enhance your understanding of the human mind and human behavior. Welcome to Manthan and join the course immediately. Bye for now.